The government is finally reopening. And if you're a federal employee or retiree, that's great news. But after a shutdown, things don't automatically go back to normal overnight. There are a few critical steps you should take in the first week after the government reopens to make sure your pay, benefits, and retirement records are all in order. Let's go through your shutdown recovery checklist step by step. 1. Check your first pay stub, LES. When funding resumes, payroll systems work overtime to issue back pay, usually within a few business days. When your leave and earnings statement, LES, posts, review it carefully. Look for all missed pay periods combined into one check. Correct deductions for FEHB, FEGLI, FERS, and TSP. Leave accruals restored retroactively. If something looks off, like missing TSP contributions or incorrect leave balances, contact your HR or payroll office immediately. Small errors are common after shutdowns, especially when multiple pay periods process at once. If you're nearing retirement or want to make sure your benefits record is accurate after the shutdown, take 15 minutes to schedule a federal benefits review at federalpensionadvisor.com. We'll verify your service time, TSP deductions, and annuity estimates, so the shutdown doesn't throw your retirement plans off track. 2. Verify your TSP activity. Your thrift savings plan contributions and matching automatically resume when pay starts again, but the first post-shutdown deposit sometimes takes an extra pay period. Log into TSPOT.gov and confirm your contribution percentage is still correct. Check for missed or delayed deposits. Review any outstanding loan balances to make sure repayments restarted. If you want to catch up on missed contributions, you can temporarily increase your contribution percentage. Just don't exceed the annual IRS limit. $23,000 for 2025, plus $7,500 catch-up if age 50 plus. 3. Review FEHB and insurance premiums. Your FEHB and FEGLI coverage stayed active during the shutdown, but premiums were not deducted while pay was paused. When pay resumes, those missed premiums will be withheld retroactively. Expect a slightly smaller check as payroll catches up. Verify that your plan, coverage level, and dependents are still correct, especially if you submitted any open season changes before the shutdown began. 4. Check your leave balances. Annual and sick leave don't accrue during a furlough, but when back pay is processed, those hours are restored automatically. Check your balance on your first post-shutdown LES to confirm it matches your pre-shutdown record. If you're close to the use or lose limit, make sure your restored hours don't push you over at year-end. 5. Resume retirement planning. A shutdown doesn't erase your service credit, but it can delay HR processing or retirement applications that were midstream. If you've recently submitted your paperwork, confirm your HR office forwarded it to OPM after reopening. If you're within 6 months of retirement, this is the perfect moment to reconfirm. Your service computation date. All SF50s are in your file. Deposits and redeposits are recorded. Your FEHB enrollment meets the 5-year rule. Bottom line. When the government reopens, think of it like a financial reset. Your paycheck, benefits, and records all come back online, but they need to be checked. Take 20 minutes this week to review your pay stub, benefits, and TSP. Then visit federalpensionadvisor.com to schedule your post-shutdown benefits review and make sure your long-term retirement plan is back on track. Because getting back to work is important, but getting your benefits right is essential.